Welcome back. This is Sandy and you are watching G News. The document outlines the upcoming criminal trial of former U.S. President Donald J. Trump in New York, focusing on the alleged falsification of records to conceal a hush money payment to a porn star. The trial is described as following the standard structure and procedures of an American prosecution, with the highest legal standard of proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The Manhattan District Attorney, Alvin L. Bragg, contends that the payment to Stormy Daniels was part of a larger scheme to suppress negative stories about Mr. Trump before the 2016 election. The trial is expected to progress with opening statements, witness testimonies, potential cross-examinations, and closing arguments. The jurors will then deliberate and deliver a unanimous verdict, with the possibility of a mistrial if no consensus is reached. The trial is set to commence with opening statements, providing the jury with a comprehensive overview of the case. Prosecutors intend to call witnesses including David Pecker, the former publisher of the National Enquirer, Michael D. Cohen, Mr. Trump's former lawyer and fixer, and Hope Hicks, his former spokeswoman. Although prosecutors cannot compel Mr. Trump to testify, he has expressed interest in taking the stand once the prosecution rests. Following the conclusion of both sides presenting their cases, the jurors will deliberate and determine Mr. Trump's guilt or innocence on each count. If convicted, Mr. Trump could face probation or up to 4 years in prison. In conclusion, the document highlights the upcoming trial of Donald J. Trump, emphasizing the standard legal procedures that will be employed, including opening statements, witness testimonies, and closing arguments. The central focus is on the allegations of falsifying records to conceal a hush money payment, with the potential consequences of a guilty verdict, including probation or imprisonment. The document underscores the significance of the trial as the first criminal prosecution of a former U.S. president and the rigorous legal process that will determine the outcome.